tutti, guys. Mamma mia, look at this pizza. It's gonna be incredible. We're gonna take you behind the scenes how we do Italian birthday party. Mamma mia, andiamo. 22 degrees. Look on the bottom, it doesn't stick. Guys, we're almost there. Ragazzi, today we're gonna do 50 pizzas. So we're gonna need 8,000 grams of 00 flour, and we're using the Caputo Nuvola strong flour. We're gonna need 5,200 grams of water for the first phase. Second phase, we're gonna use 400 grams of water. We're also gonna use 224 grams of sea salt and 800 grams of mother's yeast. So first thing we're gonna do, put the first phase water and mix it for 5 minutes. Put your 800 grams of mother's yeast and mix it thoroughly nice. Now put the remaining of the second phase of water little by little until it all incorporates, and do this for another 7 more minutes. At this point, we're gonna add our salt. Keep it on high speed for another 4 more minutes. We're gonna check the dough. Look underneath. You see it doesn't stick. The dough is perfect. Look at the nice gluten. This is how you know there's gluten in network. Look at this. Just pull it. Take out your dough in the machine, and we're going to leave it for about 30 minutes to bulk ferment. In Italian, we call this puntata. Make the dough into panettis. Leave them for 10 to 12 hours until they're bello nice. Ragazzi, it's 10 a.m. Look how hot we got the oven. So what I do, guys, I bring up the oven to about 1,000 degrees, which I'm going to use about 850 degrees for this event. We're gonna be heading towards Orange County, which is about an hour and a half from where I am, in about Temecula. Guys, we're almost there. We just arrived at the location. We got about 45 minutes to set up before the guests arrive. As you can see, the first thing you want to do is when you arrive, you want to fire up the oven. Inside, you're going to see all these people. This is incredible. Come inside, guys.